Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable or disable parallel downloading in Google Chrome. This feature can help improve your download speeds by splitting large files into multiple smaller segments that download at the same time. Parallel downloading is a useful feature, especially if you often download large files. Instead of downloading a file as a single stream, Chrome breaks it into multiple segments and downloads them simultaneously. This can speed up the process, particularly if your internet connection supports it. This method allows each segment to be downloaded separately, then reassembled into the complete file when all parts have finished downloading. This reduces the overall waiting time, making it more efficient than traditional single-stream downloads. To enable parallel downloading, first open Google Chrome. In the address bar, type the following: Chrome, flags press Enter on your keyboard. This will take you to the Chrome flags page, where you can find experimental features. These flags are hidden settings that allow users to try out new or unfinished features that may not be enabled by default. At the top of the page, you will see a search box labeled Search Flags. Click inside this search box and type. Parallel Downloading Chrome will display a flag called Parallel Downloading. Next to it, there is a drop-down menu. Click on the drop-down and select Enabled to turn on parallel downloading. Once enabled, Chrome will automatically split large files into multiple parts to speed up downloads. After selecting Enabled, you will see a prompt at the bottom of the screen asking you to relaunch Chrome for the changes to take effect. Click on the Relaunch button. Chrome will close and reopen with the feature enabled. This ensures that the change is applied properly and will start working immediately. If you ever want to disable parallel downloading, follow the same steps. Open Chrome, go to Chrome, Flags, search for Parallel Downloading, and click on the drop-down menu. This time, select Disabled. Once again, relaunch Chrome for the change to take effect. Disabling this feature will return your downloads to the standard single-stream process. That is how you enable or disable parallel downloading in Google Chrome. This feature can be helpful if you want to speed up downloads, but if you experience any issues, you can always turn it off. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide was helpful.